Welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. Thank you for joining me. This is a fun beginner dance called We Can't Wait. 32 counts, 4 walls. Here's a preview of the steps. Grapevine to the right, right behind, right grapevine left, left behind, left. Touch, V, step, 2 of them. Out, out, a Monterey. Point together, step, kick, step, touch, touch in a sway, sway, sway. Start again with the grapevine. So the first, let's break it down. First 8 counts is the grapevine and the grapevine. So grapevine right, right, left behind, right, and touch. To the left, same thing. Left, right behind, left, and touch. And the counts are on the first 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Second step is a V step where we actually draw a V on the floor with our feet. The top of the V, out, out, in. And we do that twice. So we just finished our grapevine. Second 8 is out, out, back, together. Out, out, in. Awesome. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Third set of 8 is a Monterey, which is a point to the right. And as you draw it in, you turn a quarter over your right shoulder. Quarter, turn, and then in place, a point together. So the Monterey looks like this. Point, slide it in and turn a quarter, and then point together. So it's point together, point, step on it, right foot, step, kick, step, touch. That's the third 8. One more time, the steps look like this. It's a Monterey and a step kick. So point, bring it in, point, bring it in, step, kick, step, touch. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, kick, 6, back, and touch. Awesome. Fourth 8, that's it. We do a step, touch, and sways, but the choreographer wants us to angle it going forward on the diagonal. So we step right, touch. I'm on a diagonal facing the 3 o'clock wall. Back, touch. I stay on that diagonal, and I'm going to do my hips or hip bumps. Right, left, or forward, back, back. And the counts are, just finished our Monterey step, kick, step, touch. Counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put your foot down and bump your hip. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a bump or a sway, whichever is easiest for you. Front, back. Let's put it together. Yes, from the top with words. Review. 5, 6, 7 with the grapevine. Right, behind, right, and touch. Left, behind. Make a V. 2 of them. Out, in, out. Monterey, point together, and a kick, and a touch. Little bit forward, step, touch, step, and bump. So after we do the step, touch, you have to put your right foot down to start the bumps. So it's a step and bump at the same time. Bump. All right, with counts, we can't wait. Beginner line dance. Starting with 2 grapevines. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're on a 3 o'clock wall. We're going to start over from the top, our 32 counts. with our grapevine to the right. Right, behind, right, touch. Yes, let's do this wall after our bumps and or our sways. We just did bump, bump, bump. Pick up your right foot and head directly to the side. Side, behind, side. Touch, side, behind. B steps, 2 of them. Out, out, in, out, out. Point, point, bring it in. Point, together and step. Kick left, back, touch right and step. Touch and a step. Touch and a sway, bump or sway. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. That's it. You got it. We can't wait. Have fun. That's the most important thing. I'll see you on the dance floor. Thank you for joining.